pulled and used to pull and get with him. He had a motor go down on the first pass, and they got it back together. So you're going to have all 4 motors coming down the track on this pass. This tractor was originally known as the Bosse tractor. The owners were Carl and Paul Bosse out of Ade, Ohio. It was built in 1972. It competed from 72 to 80 and competed in the 9,000, 12,000 classes. It's the first ever 4-motor modified tractor. It was originally built with a 460 Lincoln engines. In 1974 it was changed to 460 Holman Moody engines. Has an estimated horsepower of 2,600, an international I-9 rear housing and transmission. Incidentally, Carl and Paul Bosse were the first inductees into the NTPA Hall of Fame. A little history on the tractor known as the Bosse tractor, now owned by Mike Ott, head of the Nostalgia Pullers. Remember, he had a motor sit down on him in the first pass. All 4 running right now. Let's see what he can do.